You are watching How to Explore. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. How to increase your stamina in just a few days. A crucial component of total fitness is stamina, which is the capacity to endure prolonged physical or mental activity. Increasing stamina can have a positive impact on your life, whether you're an athlete, a professional who works long hours, or just someone trying to boost their everyday energy levels. While putting in consistent work and dedication is necessary to develop long-term stamina, there are a number of efficient tactics you can use to give your stamina a rapid boost in a matter of days. In this video, we'll look at helpful tips that can quickly increase your stamina and general fitness. 1. Start with interval training. In interval training, short rest intervals alternate with bursts of intense exercise. This kind of exercise is great for boosting stamina and cardiovascular fitness quickly. If you're running, for instance, alternate between sprints and brisk strolling or jogging. Your stamina can be greatly improved by adding interval training to your exercise routine for a few days. 2. Include strength training. Strength training is extremely important for improving total stamina, even while aerobic workouts are fantastic for boosting endurance. Weightlifting and other bodyweight exercises are examples of strength training activities that help build muscles, enhance posture, and boost overall power output. You can significantly increase your stamina by including strength training workouts a few times per week. 3. Keep hydrated. For continued maintenance of excellent physical performance, proper hydration is crucial. Mild dehydration can cause exhaustion and decreased stamina. Water consumption should be sufficient throughout the day, but it should be notably high before, during, and after physical activity. To replace vital minerals lost through perspiration during strenuous exercise, you should include electrolyte-rich drinks in addition to water. 4. Get enough sleep. Adequate sleep is essential for refilling your body's energy stores and allowing it to recover from physical exertion. Lack of sleep can quickly cause exhaustion, reduced energy, and decreased cognitive performance. To maximize your body's capacity for refueling and improve your stamina during waking hours, aim for 7 to 9 hours of high-quality sleep each night. 5. Optimize your diet. Your body gets the fuel it needs to function at its peak when you eat a balanced diet with an emphasis on foods that are high in nutrients. To ensure you have enough energy reserves, eat a variety of whole grains, lean meats, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. Because an iron shortage can result in lower stamina and fatigue, you should think about including meals high in iron, like spinach and lean meats. 6. Exercise breathing techniques. Your stamina and endurance can be greatly improved by using proper breathing practices. Focus on deep belly breathing rather than shallow chest breathing when performing challenging tasks. By more effectively oxygenating your muscles, this approach enables you to sustain your stamina for extended periods of time. Regularly engage in deep breathing exercises to teach your body how to use oxygen efficiently. 7. Gradually increase intensity. While it's critical to push yourself, it's as necessary to prevent overexertion. Increase the duration and intensity of your workouts gradually to prevent exhausting or damaging your body by working it too hard too soon. In order to safely and successfully increase stamina, pay attention to your body's signals and progressively advance your workout program. The conclusion. While putting in regular work and devotion is necessary to develop long-term stamina, There are a number of tactics you can use to give your stamina a rapid boost in a matter of days. Your stamina and endurance will significantly increase if you incorporate interval training. Strength training. Stay hydrated. Get enough sleep. Optimize your nutrition. Practice breathing methods and progressively increase intensity. On your path to greater stamina and general fitness, keep in mind to listen to your body and stay consistent.